Hello students, welcome back to your online class, computer online class. So students, we was with your chapter number 4 and the name of the chapter was Table, Links and Frames in HTML5. So students, last I have taught you about different kinds of link, is not it? In HTML, we have got different types of link. And what was they? There were three different types of link. First one was your internal link, second one was your local link, and the third one was your global link. So, in my last class, I have explained you three different kinds of link used in your HTML document, or you can say in HTML program. As well as I have explained you about anchor tag, is not it? And it is denoted by your symbol A, and it is one of your container element having both your on tag as well as off tag. Now students, I will give you some question and answers regarding my last day's explanation. So all of you take out your computer copies. Okay, you take out your computer copies. Write today's date at the top corner of your page. You are going to write in a fresh page because it's your new chapter that you are writing the answers. So at the top corner of your page, you are going to write today's date. Then you will write chapter number 4. Then in the next line you will write name of the chapter, that is your table, links and frames in HTML5. Students, I will dictate the question, so you have to write first. Write the first question, question number 1. Describe the different kinds of links. Describe the different DIFFERENT. Describe the different kinds KINDS, kinds of links, LINKS, links that can be created, CREATED, that can be created on a web page, full stop. I am repeating the question again. Describe the different kinds of links that can be created on a web page, full stop. Now for the answer, you are going to write, in the next line you write answer. The different kinds of links that can be created on a web page, are, give a hyphen. In the next line you write Roman number 1. You will take out page number 76. Have you seen the three different types of link? Internal, local, global. Internal, you make Roman number 1, internal link, underline, hyphen. Internal link, underline, hyphen. Then you will write a link to a point on the current page is called internal link. Then in the next line you will write Roman number 2, local link, underline, hyphen. A link to another page on the same website is called local link. Then in the next line you will write Roman number 3, global link, underline, hyphen. A link to a page on a different website is called global link. Now students, again I am repeating the question and answer. Question number 1. Describe the different kinds of link that can be created on a web page. LINKS, links that can be created on a web page, full stop. Then answer. The different kinds of links that can be created on a web page are, give a hyphen, hyphen, Roman number 1, internal link, underline hyphen, a link to a point on the current page is called internal link. Next line, Roman number 2, local link, underline hyphen. A link to another page on the same website is called local link, full stop. Third line means your next one. In the next line you will write Roman number 3, global link, underline hyphen. A link to a page on a different website is called global link. Then students, next question. Question number 2. What is the use of anchor tag? ANCHOR, anchor tag, TAG tag. What is the use of anchor tag? Question mark. For the answer, you will take out to your page number 76. In page number 76, you see the paragraph of your anchor tag. Have you got the paragraph of anchor tag? You are going to mark from the first line of the paragraph the HTML tag. You mark from the first line of the paragraph anchor tag. The HTML tag, with the help of your pencils, you mark in your books first. The HTML tag we use to create a link is the anchor tag. Then inside the bracket, how the bracket is given, inside the bracket you will write a. This tag is a container element as it has an on tag and an off tag. Full stop. The href hypertext reference attribute of the anchor tag specifies the destination page or the file where the link will take us. In place of you are going to write us, will take us, up to us. Clear? You are going to mark from the HTML tag we used to create a link, from there up to your third line where the link will take us. In place of you are going to write us. I am repeating question number 2 again. What is the use of anchor tag? Question mark. Answer. The HTML tag we use to create a link is the anchor tag. Inside the bracket you will write a. Full stop. This tag is a container element as it has an on tag, a, and an off tag, means your close tag. Okay, full stop. The href, inside the bracket you will write hypertext reference attributes of the anchor tag specifies the destination page or the file where the link will take us, up to your us. Okay, will take us. Clear? Then students, you will write the next question. What do you mean by table in HTML? What do you mean by table in HTML? Written, what do you mean by table, T-A-B-L-E, table in HTML? HTML must be in your capital letter. Okay. Now you write the answer, I will dictate. What do you mean by table in HTML? Question number 3. Answer. In HTML, comma, in HTML, comma, table means, T-A-B-L-E, table means agreed, G-R-I-D, agreed of rows and columns, agreed of rows and columns, ROWS, rows and columns, COLUMNS, columns. I am repeating question number 3 again. What do you mean by table in HTML? Answer. In HTML, table means agreed of rows and columns. Full stop. Clear? Then we will come to question number 4. Question number 4. What do you mean by cell? What do you mean by cell? C-double-L, cell. What do you mean by cell? C-E-double-L, cell. Question mark. Question mark. Answer. Answer. Cell is a. Cell is a. Shape. S-H-A-P-E. Shape. Formed. F-O-R-M-E-D. Formed by the intersection I-N-T-E-R-S-E-C-T-I-O-N. Intersection of a table, row and column. Of a table, row and column. T-A-B-L-E, table, row, R-O-W, row and column. C-O-L-U-M-N, column. I am repeating the question again. Question number 4. What do you mean by cell? Question mark. Answer. Cell is a shape formed by F-O-R-M-E-D, formed by the intersection I-N-T-R-S-E-C-T-I-O-N. Intersection of a table, row and column. R-O-W, row and column. C-O-L-U-M-N, column. Then you will write question number 5, the last question, okay. What do you mean by cell padding and cell spacing? What do you mean by cell padding? P-A-D-D-I-N-G, cell padding, and cell spacing, C-double-L, cell spacing, S-P-A-C-I-N-G, cell spacing. I am repeating the question again. What do you mean by cell padding? P-A-D-D-I-N-G, padding, and cell spacing, C-double-L, cell spacing, S-P-A-C-I-N-G, cell spacing. Question mark. Answer. Answer. Cell padding. Cell padding is the space between S-P-A-C-E, space between B-E-T-W-E-N, space between the cell contents, space between the cell contents, C-double-L, cell contents, C-O-N-T-N-T-S, cell contents, and the cell border, C-double-L, cell border, B-O-R-D-R, and the cell border, full stop. I am repeating again. Cell padding is the space between the cell contents, C-O-N-T-N-T-S, contents, and the cell border, B-O-R-D-R, border, full stop. Then you will change the paragraph and write cell spacing, S-P-A-C-I-N-G, cell spacing is the space between the cells of a table. Cell spacing is the space, S-P-A-C, space between the B-E-T-W-E-N, between. Cell spacing is the space between cells of a table. Between B-T-W-E-N, between cells, C-double-L-S, cells of a table. Of a table. I am repeating the last question again. What do you mean by cell padding and cell spacing? Answer. Cell padding is the space between the cell contents, C-O-N-T-N-T-S, contents, and the cell border, B-O-R-D-E-R, border. Change the paragraph. Cell spacing is the space between cells of a table, C-E-L-L-S, cells of a table. Written, full stop. Give a full stop. So today students, how many question answers I have given you? 5 question and answers. I am repeating the question again, so be careful. Question number 1, describe the different kinds of links that can be created on a web page. Question number 2, what is the use of anchor tag? Question mark. Question number 3, what do you mean by table in HTML? Question number 4, what do you mean by cell? And the last question, that is your question number 5, what do you mean by cell padding? P-A-D-D-I-N-G, padding, and cell spacing, S-P-A-C-I-N-G, spacing, question mark. So students, today I have given you 5 question and answers. You write it very neatly, clearly, without any spelling errors in your computer copies, and learn these 5 answers as your homework. Okay, you are going to learn these 5 answers as your homework. In my next class, I will explain you the rest part of this chapter. So now students, I am ending my class here. Thank you to all and have a nice day ahead.